Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this sweet garlic honey chicken wings recipe. It's a crispy, sticky, irresistibly delicious chicken wings recipe that you don't want to miss. So if you would like to see more of how I make this recipe, just keep watching. Also, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got 2 pounds of chicken wings, which is already washed and cleaned up, and that's what the chicken wings looks like. It looks clean, beautiful, and we're going to season these wings. So these are whole chicken wings. I'm going to go in with my kitchen shears and cut the wings in half. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And then I'm going to show you guys the next step to make the sweet garlic honey chicken wings recipe. So you just want to take your kitchen shears and cut the chicken wings just like that. And that's what our chicken wings looks like, guys. These wings look so beautiful. We're going to go ahead and get our seasoning ready, but before that we're going to pat the excess water off these beautiful chicken wings, and then we're going to move on to the next step. And that's what our chicken wings looks like so far. It looks pretty good. I got some lemon zest inside of the bowl, 1 lemon zest. We're going to go ahead and add all of our flavorful seasoning in the bowl. So I'm going to add my red pepper flakes, which is right there. Next, we are going to go in with our ground black pepper. We're going to add some fine sea salt. If you have regular table salt, you can use it as well. Next, we're going to go in with our garlic powder and onion powder, which is optional for this recipe. So I'm just going to add just a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. Then I'm going to go in with this flavorful soy sauce. Along with the soy sauce, we're going to go in with our lemon juice. Then we're going to add our honey to the bowl as well. This is going to give these beautiful chicken wings lots of flavor. Next, we're going to go in with some minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that will do for this recipe as well. Now we are going to mix very well, guys. Mix very well. Make sure all the ingredients are fully combined. I'm just going to go in and add a teaspoon of browning just to give these chicken wings a nice brown color. And then we're going to go in with our spoon and mix again. Now that our ingredients are fully combined, we're going to pour that all over these beautiful chicken wings just like that. And that looks absolutely beautiful. The marinade smells so delicious, guys. I know that these chicken wings are going to be nice and flavorful just from the smell of this beautiful marinade. So we're going to rub our chicken into the marinade just like that. Make sure that the chicken pieces are fully coated into the marinade. We're going to set this to marinate for half an hour. After half an hour, this is what the chicken wing looks like. Now we're going to go ahead and place these beautiful chicken wings on our baking tray. We're going to bake these beautiful chicken wings for 30 to 35 minutes and 425 degrees. And then I'm going to show you guys the results of these lovely chicken wings. And that's what the chicken wing looks like, guys. Make sure to leave some space in between your chicken wings. That way the chicken wings can bake nice and brown. You know, the air can flow nicely through the wings, and you can get those wings to be nice and crispy. Now we're going to set the chicken wings to bake for 30 to 35 minutes. These chicken wings bake on 425 degrees, and that's what it looks like after 15 minutes, guys. These wings came out so beautiful, so beautiful. It was nice and flavorful, sweet honey garlic chicken wings recipe. It's crispy, sticky, irresistibly delicious. Look at those wings, guys. 15 minutes of baking. We're going to flip them over to the opposite side, and then I'm going to show you guys the final results of this delicious, crispy, sticky, irresistibly chicken wings recipe. Now we're going to place these beautiful wings back into the oven, and then I'm going to show you guys the final results of these crispy, sticky, irresistibly delicious chicken wings recipe. Once the chicken wings are done baking, this is the final results. It came out so beautiful. It was delicious. Oh my goodness. It was crispy, sticky, irresistibly flavorful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you enjoy this sweet garlic honey chicken wings recipe. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your family members, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.